Hello everyone, welcome to Lemon Ginger. I am Asha. Hope you're all doing fine. Today's recipe is a simple and sweet bread toast recipe. It's very easy to make. As I said, it's very simple. You can make this for your breakfast, for your snack time. Kids are gonna love this, I'm sure about that. No eggs are used, so if you don't like eggs, you can just definitely go for this recipe. Very few ingredients, and you can make it in just less than 10 minutes. And if you're here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel Lemon Ginger. So let's see how this easy and simple bread toast is made. I'm taking here one bowl. To it I'm pouring 1 cup of whole milk, three tablespoons of sugar, and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. If you like a little cinnamon flavor to the toast, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder now. And now, after adding the vanilla extract, I am putting salt to taste and I'm mixing everything well with a whisk or a fork. Keep mixing until the sugar is dissolved in it. And now I'm keeping this aside. I'm setting the stove on medium flame and keeping a non-stick pan on it. I've taken here 7 to 8 slices of bread. So for the 1 cup of milk and the solution that we made just now, we can make around 7 to 8 slices or 7 to 8 toast of bread. Now once the pan is hot, I'm drizzling a little ghee on it. And I'm dipping one slice of bread into the sugar milk solution, and I'm placing it on the hot pan. I'm doing one more slice of bread the same way, dipping into the milk solution and placing it on the pan. My pan is big, but still I am putting only 2 slices, otherwise it would be difficult if we are overcrowding it. Now on top of the bread, I'm again drizzling a little ghee. Wait for half a minute and flip it over. And again wait for around the same time, like around half a minute. And then you can take it off from the stove. You can see how soft the bread has become. Again for the next round, I'm pouring 1/4 teaspoon of ghee on top of the pan. Before dipping the next set of breads into the milk solution, I'm just making sure that everything is evenly mixed. So that's why I'm mixing again. And doing the same thing as I did before, dipping the bread slices onto the milk and placing it on the pan. I have used ghee here on the pan and on the bread because I like the flavor of it. Or if you like butter more than ghee, you can use that instead of the ghee. So after placing the breads on the pan, it should not take more than 30 seconds, otherwise it would dry off all the milk and sugar from there. So in order to retain the softness, you have to flip it just after 30 seconds. So that is the secret of getting the soft bread toast. So that's it. Yummy and sweet, simple bread toast is made in just less than 10 minutes. As I said, you can make it for your breakfast or for your snack time. Kids are definitely gonna love this. So if you like the video, please don't forget to comment and press the thumbs up button down there. And don't forget to share also with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe to my channel Lemon Ginger. So until I come with a new recipe next week, stay safe and a very happy week ahead. Bye bye.